I eat. I ate. I will eat. I am eating. I was eating. I will be eating. I have eaten. I had eaten. I will have eaten. I have been eating. I had been eating. I will have been eating. I study English. I studied English. I will study English. I am studying English. I was studying English. I will be studying English. I have studied English. I had studied English. I will have studied English. I have been studying English. I had been studying English. I will have been studying English. I write. I wrote. I will write. I am writing. I was writing. I will be writing. I have written. I had written. I will have written. I have been writing. I had been writing. I will have been writing. I read a book every evening. I read a book yesterday evening. I will read a book tomorrow evening. I am reading a book right now. I was reading a book last night. I will be reading a book at this time tomorrow. I have read a book today. I had read a book by bedtime last night. I will have read a book by tomorrow night. I have been reading a book since early morning. I had been reading a book for 2 hours by the time I stopped yesterday. I will have been reading a book for an hour by bedtime tomorrow. I play. I played. I will play. I am playing. I was playing. I will be playing. I have played. I had played. I will have played. I have been playing. I had been playing. I will have been playing. I call my friend on Mondays. I called my friend yesterday. I will call my friend tomorrow. I am calling my friend right now. I was calling my friend when you arrived last night. I will be calling my friend at 8 p.m. tomorrow. I have called my friend today. I had called my friend by 8 p.m. yesterday. I will have called my friend by tomorrow evening. I have been calling my friend since morning. I had been calling my friend for an hour by the time he answered yesterday. I will have been calling my friend for over an hour by the time he picks up tomorrow. I listen. I listened. I will listen. I am listening. I was listening. I will be listening. I have listened. I had listened. I will have listened. I have been listening. I had been listening. I will have been listening. I cook. I cooked. I will cook. I am cooking. I was cooking. I will be cooking. I have cooked. I had cooked. I will have cooked. I have been cooking. I had been cooking. I will have been cooking. I clean the house every Saturday. I cleaned the house yesterday. I will clean the house next Saturday. I am cleaning the house right now. I was cleaning the house last night. I will be cleaning the house at this time next week. I have cleaned the house today. I had cleaned the house by noon yesterday. I will have cleaned the house by this time next week. I have been cleaning the house since 9 a.m. I had been cleaning the house for 3 hours by the time I finished yesterday. I will have been cleaning the house for 2 hours by noon tomorrow. I learn. I learned. I will learn. I am learning. I was learning. I will be learning. I have learned. I had learned. I will have learned. I have been learning. I had been learning. I will have been learning. I speak. I spoke. I will speak. I am speaking. I was speaking. I will be speaking. I have spoken. I had spoken. I will have spoken. I have been speaking. I had been speaking. I will have been speaking. I bake cookies every Saturday. I baked cookies last Saturday. I will bake cookies next Saturday. I am baking cookies right now. I was baking cookies last night. I will be baking cookies this Saturday afternoon. I have baked cookies today. I had baked cookies by the time guests arrived yesterday. I will have baked cookies by the end of the day tomorrow. I have been baking cookies since this morning. I had been baking cookies for 2 hours by the time I finished yesterday. I will have been baking cookies for 3 hours by the time they are all ready tomorrow. I teach. I taught. I will teach. I am teaching. I was teaching. I will be teaching. I have taught. I had taught. I will have taught. I have been teaching. I had been teaching. I will have been teaching. I plant flowers in the spring. I planted flowers last spring. I will plant flowers next spring. I am planting flowers right now. I was planting flowers yesterday. I will be planting flowers tomorrow. I have planted flowers today. I had planted flowers by the end of the day yesterday. I will have planted flowers by tomorrow evening. I have been planting flowers since this morning. I had been planting flowers for 3 hours by the time I stopped yesterday. I will have been planting flowers for 2 hours by lunchtime tomorrow. I brew coffee every morning. I brewed coffee yesterday morning. I will brew coffee tomorrow morning. I am brewing coffee right now. I was brewing coffee when you called last night. I will be brewing coffee at this time tomorrow. I have brewed coffee today. I had brewed coffee before you woke up yesterday. I will have brewed coffee by the time you wake up tomorrow. I have been brewing coffee since I got up. I had been brewing coffee for 5 minutes by the time it was ready yesterday. I will have been brewing coffee for 10 minutes by the time it's ready tomorrow. I wash the dishes after every meal. I washed the dishes after dinner last night. I will wash the dishes after lunch today. I am washing the dishes right now. I was washing the dishes when the phone rang. I will be washing the dishes after breakfast tomorrow. I have washed the dishes today. I had washed the dishes before going to bed last night. I will have washed the dishes by the time guests arrive this afternoon. I have been washing the dishes for the past 15 minutes. I had been washing the dishes for 20 minutes when I found the broken cup. I will have been washing the dishes for half an hour by the time I'm done. I study for the test every night. I studied for the test last night. I will study for the test tonight. I am studying for the test right now. I was studying for the test when you called. I will be studying for the test at this time tomorrow. I have studied for the test today. I had studied for the test before going to bed last night. I will have studied for the test by tomorrow morning. I have been studying for the test since dinner. I had been studying for the test for 3 hours by midnight. I will have been studying for the test for 2 hours by the time I take a break tonight. I travel. I traveled. I will travel. I am traveling. I was traveling. I will be traveling. I have traveled. I had traveled. I will have traveled. I have been traveling. I had been traveling. I will have been traveling. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!